जय हिंद डिफेंस एस्पायरेंट्स, आई विवेक पांडे वेलकम यू बैक इन टारगेट डिफेंस फोर्सेज। फ्रेंड्स, ये वीडियो काफ़ी खास होने वाली है क्योंकि इस वीडियो में ऐश्वर्या, जो कि रिसेंटली रिकमेंड हुई हैं एसएसबी इलाहाबाद से, उन्होंने अपने एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किया है एंड इवन हैज़ टोल्ड व्हाट शी हैड डन, हाउ शी हैड प्रिपेयर और क्या क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है। उन्होंने अपने वैल्यूएबल टिप्स शेयर किए हैं। सो मस्ट वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड। एंड ऑल्सो let me tell you one thing that she got 2 times screen out continuously, then in her third and the final attempt, actually ये उनकी लास्ट SSB थी और वो लास्ट SSB में ही रिकमेंड हो गई। सो मस्ट वॉच टिल द एंड।
Hello everyone, I am Aishwarya Bhoji. I recently got recommended on 20th of August from 11th SSB Allahabad for CDS entry, and trust me, SSB is very simple. When I say this, I'm not going to tell you the experiences I had. I'm going to tell you what I gauged through or what analysis I made through SSB. This was my third attempt. I was screened out twice through NCC entry, and I joined TDF, Target Defense Forces, in the month of June, and I did practice for PPDT every single day. I analyzed what is important, why I was not getting screened in, and I analyzed every day how my performance can be bettered, and I understood that the thing which I was lacking was I did not speak much. I thought someone else would give me opportunity, but as I practiced every day, I understood that I have to take an opportunity. I have to grab an opportunity and speak. So this is how I prepared through TDF, and sir used to give us marks, and it really helped me to analyze what works for me or what doesn't work and what is my performance. I understood that for PPDT it is very important to have a presence in the group and be very humble and manage the group in such a way that you're taking the group forward. So in the SSB, I'm going to tell you a few things which are very important, and trust me, SSB is very easy. Number one is know who you are, know what qualities you possess, what good qualities you have. And when I say know who you are, understand who you are, who makes you, like who makes Aishwarya Aishwarya. I understood that. Second, and carry it forward every day in life. Understand what makes you you, and apart from this, understand that in SSB it is very important. One of the important aspect is to be comfortable. In whatever task you do, you should be comfortable. The more comfortable you are, you'll be able to perform the better way. Third is, do not get stressed. It is very important. No, I am not superhuman that I won't get stressed or something, but it is very important how you manage your stress. So in every task I had, every time I had the task before that, I made myself understand who I am, what my qualities are. I did meditation, and everyone can have a different way to deal with the stress. This is how I dealt with the stress. Every time before any task, I used to just raise my hand, and I used to feel that, okay, Aishwarya, you're going to perform your best. Fourth thing is, do not compare. This is not a competition. Understand that SSB is not a competition. Do not get swayed away by other people's personality, what they're wearing. So this is not a competition. This is your personality test. Understand your own personality. Forget about who other people are around you. Also, see, there's a thin border. You shouldn't be overconfident or be hyping yourself. Neither you should be below the line or underconfident. So always throughout the SSB procedure, maintain your decorum, maintain the values your family has taught you, whatever experiences you have gained till now. They want a leader. And understand, SSB में एक दिन में तुम लीडर नहीं बनोगे. Over the period of time, whatever you have learned, understand whatever competitions you have taken part in, whatever you have done academically, so take those learnings and present it. The last point is, and one of the most important point is, you will clear SSB when you have a congruency between what you speak, what you write, and what you do. When I say what you speak in the interview, what you write in the psych, and what you present in the GTO. Whenever you have that congruency between these three things, and they see that you adhere qualities which are similar in all three processes, they will 100% take you. And so I'll just summarize whatever I analyzed and discussed. That is, don't get stressed, be very comfortable in each and every task, have a congruency between what you speak, what you write, and what you do. Do not compare yourself with others. Understand who you are. When you know your qualities, you would perform there with confidence. So that understanding yourself will build that self-confidence, self-belief in yourself. And that's pretty much about SSB. Apart from this, see, preparation is required. So prepare from your part. जैसे TDF में we practice PPDT every day. I used to write stories. I used to write after the group discussion also ki what all points I can add up to this, what all more actions I can add up to, what other themes could be after hearing everyone's story. Maintain your calm during the PPDT, even like not even PPDT, during all the tasks, and enjoy. It is very important. When you enjoy and do the task, you will automatically be not stressed up, you will be comfortable, and you'll perform the best, and you'll enjoy everything, so you'll be more confident. And apart from this, psych test is important. So make sure that you practice well at home and complete it on time while you're writing. All I did in the SSB was prepare on the day of my SSB, my psych test. I just saw all the SRTs, VAT, TATs, and SD I had written. SD I practiced twice within the time limit of 15 minutes so that I do not miss out on writing. So it's and rest everything. I just maintained my calm and I performed there and I enjoyed it. That's pretty much about it. So you should showcase who you are. Once you understand what qualities you possess and you showcase them in all the processes during the SSB, there is no force which can, stop you from getting recommended. So do not do it for the recommendation, do it to showcase that who you are. When I say showcase, do not over showcase or be very boastful, or do not underperform. Be very humble. It is very important to be humble, to be a leader, manage the group, take everyone together, help everyone, and enjoy. So psych I discussed. Interview mein it's very important to again be very comfortable, very confident. Jo aata hai say yes, jo nahi aata hai say no. Whatever answers, back it with logic. And it's very important to know about defense forces, because when you tell them about the defense forces, they know that how much you are interested in it. And yes, interview is very easy. It's about you. Once you know about yourself, it's very easy to answer those questions. So be very confident. वहाँ पे कुछ तुम्हें cross question कर रहे हैं, grill कर रहे हैं, don't let it hamper your performance. Understand, once you start enjoying and answer everything with confidence, there is no chance कि वो तुम्हें नहीं लेंगे. In GTO also, it's important that you give your ideas, you take the group together, कि आइडियाज दे रहे हो, लेट अदर्स ऑल्सो स्पीक, हेल्प देम, तो सो help the whole group to progress. And ये तब होगा when you don't have that competition wala mentality. If you have that competition wala mentality, you're not gonna get in. It is very important to have that comradeship. They want leaders who take all the group together. They don't want any, ये कोई competition है ही नहीं. So fit this thing in mind कि ये competition नहीं है. This is your personality test. Whatever experience you have gained, you have to use that experiences and perform there. That's all pretty much from my side, and thank you TDF. I owe you a lot. Because of TDF I could practice and improve my PPDTs. Every single time I did, I got different groups, different entries, people from different entries came and then we practice. So मेरा स्टेज फेयर या जो भी था रिलेटेड टू ग्रुप डिस्कशन वो वैसे ही ठीक हो गया था. स्टोरीज आर ऑलरेडी नाइस, बट देन ग्रुप डिस्कशन में पार्टिसिपेट कैसे करना है, डिफरेंट आइडियाज कैसे लाना है, हाउ टू गिव योर पॉइंट्स इन अ मोर वैलिड वे, आई लर्न फ्रॉम TDF. So prepare well. TDF was like a playground for me where I practiced every day and performed and honed my skills. And SSB में जाके you just have to perform. Do not take stress. आराम से वहाँ पे, because you have practiced so much that यहाँ पे जाके you just have to perform and showcase who you are, your own qualities, your values which you possess. That's all. Thank you so much. All the best to everyone. Take care.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please do like and share it as much as you can. क्योंकि ये वीडियो बाकी कैंडिडेट्स के भी काम आएंगी, the one who are preparing for the SSB, upcoming SSBs. And also must check the links provided in the description below, क्योंकि वो links सारे important हैं आप लोगों के लिए to clear your upcoming SSB. So must check each and every single link over there that is provided in the description box. If you also want to be the part of Target Defense Forces daily practice sessions, must provide your details in the given WhatsApp number. Rest I'll take care of. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.